If you think about the classical air-to-air engagement, then the pilot's got their eyes out of the cockpit trying to figure out where the target is. And at that critical point, when they're just about there, they're going to have to look down, take their eyes off the target, select the right weapon, do some switches. This is critical time when the pilot really needs to keep their eyes on the target rather than being distracted by looking somewhere else. Back in the old days, all you had to worry about was the guy coming at you. You could see with your eyes. And as long as you stayed out of his gun sights, you'd survive quite happily. In the modern era, there's all sorts of different threats out there. So rather than just being constrained to a set of instruments that sit below the cockpit line, you can now expand that information space out into the wider world. So it's all about making sure that in that more complex battle space, with all those different information feeds available to you, that you can access that information in the most appropriate way without endangering the aircraft or reducing your effectiveness as a fighter. We have two core sort of HUD products we offer to the military environment. One of them is called LiteHUD, and that's a standalone head-up display unit which can be installed in retrofitted to old aircraft or in new development aircraft. The other capability we offer is what's called a DLE, a digital light engine, and that in essence is converting an older HUD-style unit using analog systems to a more digital component. These people are going into harm's way, and you can overlay information about the threat, and you can tell them how far away they are, and you can tell them when they've got a weapon lock. All that information is so useful. We've already delivered over 250 of these to customers who are out there using them today. We've hit a sweet spot of delivering advanced capability at a price point that's affordable, in a package that's manageable in terms of integrating it into current or new platforms, and a product that ultimately delivers the reliability levels that air forces can make sure they keep their assets available on the front line to do the jobs that they were brought to do. Display technology is obviously something we care about a lot within BAE Systems, and when you're trying to squeeze absolutely every ounce of performance out of the product, that intimate knowledge of the products we built yesterday will help you build the products of the future. Part of protecting my family is to make sure that the people that are protecting me are safe and have the best possible equipment.